Number 1, it helps you lose weight. Cucumbers are very popular in summer season due to their high water content. They are considered a great low-calorie snack that can increase fullness and reduce overall calorie intake. Cucumber salad is beneficial for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels, making it a great option for people with diabetes or those looking to prevent the disease. According to research, drinking a glass of cucumber juice daily can reduce the risk of kidney stone formation by up to 81%. Cucumber salad may help lower blood pressure due to its high potassium content. Research shows that consuming more potassium-rich foods such as cucumbers can help reduce the risk of hypertension. Potassium is known to have a relaxing effect on blood vessels, which can lead to a decrease in blood pressure. Research suggests that the polyphenol present in cucumbers, such as flavonoids and lignans, have anti-cancer properties and can inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Cucumbers are also a good source of vitamin C, which has been shown to reduce the risk of stomach cancer. Additionally, cucumbers contain other antioxidants like beta-carotene and tannins, which help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce the risk of oxidative damage to cells, including DNA. Studies have also found that the phytosterols in cucumbers can induce apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancer cells, leading to the elimination of damaged cells. And follow a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. By incorporating cucumber salad into your diet, you can provide your body with these beneficial compounds and potentially reduce your risk of developing certain cancers. Do you find this information helpful? Have you tried adding more cucumber salad to your diet for better health? Share your experiences and feedback in the comments below. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. Stay healthy and enjoy the refreshing taste and numerous health benefits of cucumber salad. Until next time. Additionally, cucumbers are a good source of dietary nitrates, which are converted to nitric oxide in the body and promote vasodilation, further contributing to blood pressure reduction. Cucurbitacin is thought to work by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and promoting their death. Another study published in the Journal of Functional Foods found that cucumber seed extract can reduce the risk of prostate cancer by inhibiting the activity of enzymes that promote tumor growth. Studies have also found that the antioxidants present in cucumbers, such as flavonoids and tannins, have antihypertensive effects. Cucumbers are also a good source of several vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium, which are important for maintaining overall health and boosting the immune system. By including cucumber salad in your diet, you can help lower your blood pressure and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. More research is needed to fully understand the anti-cancer properties of cucumbers and their potential benefits for cancer prevention and treatment. The primary component of most kidney stones is calcium. However, cucumbers are rich in oxalates, which bind to calcium and roughness, according to a study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology. Cucumbers are high in water content and fiber, both of which are essential for maintaining good digestive health. The water content helps keep things moving in your gut, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Fiber, on the other hand, helps feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut, keeping your digestive system in good shape. Furthermore, cucumbers are a good source of vitamin K, which is important for maintaining healthy bones and preventing osteoporosis. Vitamin K activates osteocalcin, a protein essential for bone formation and strength. Additionally, cucumbers contain various antioxidants and phytonutrients that have anti-inflammatory properties and support overall health. Including cucumber salad in your diet can help improve digestion and provide your body with essential nutrients for optimal functioning. Cucumbers are rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C, beta-carotene, and tannins, which protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and reduce signs of aging. Additionally, cucumbers contain silica, a mineral that is essential for maintaining healthy skin and hair. Silica helps strengthen the skin's connective tissues, improving its elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Cucumbers are also a good source of vitamin K, which can help reduce inflammation and dark circles under the eyes. By incorporating cucumber salad into your diet, you can provide your body with the necessary nutrients to support healthy and glowing skin. And prevent it from crystallizing in the urine, a process that contributes to kidney stone formation. Additionally, cucumbers contain other compounds such as flavonoids and lignans that have been shown to inhibit the growth of kidney stones. Consuming cucumber salad regularly can help maintain healthy levels of calcium in the urine, reducing the likelihood of kidney stone formation. So if you want to decrease your risk of developing kidney stones, consider adding cucumber salad to your diet. Cucumbers have a low glycemic index, meaning they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. A study published in the Journal of Diabetes and its Complications found that eating cucumbers can help improve insulin sensitivity and lower fasting blood sugar levels. Additionally, the antioxidants present in cucumbers, such as tannins and flavonoids, play a role in preventing complications associated with diabetes. The vitamin C and K content in cucumbers also contributes to their beneficial effects on blood sugar regulation. By including cucumber salad in your diet, you can help manage your blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of developing diabetes or its complications. This helps you lose weight. 1 cup of cucumber contains only 16 calories. The crisp and refreshing taste of cucumbers makes them an ideal replacement for high-calorie snacks. Cucumbers are also rich in fiber, which adds to their weight loss benefits by increasing fullness and reducing appetite. Additionally, cucumbers contain various antioxidants and nutrients that support a healthy diet and lifestyle, which further aid in weight loss. By incorporating cucumber salad into your diet, especially when craving for snacks, you can enjoy a delicious and nutritious meal while reducing your calorie intake and ultimately achieving your weight loss goals. Number 2, supports healthy blood sugar levels. Number 3, prevents kidney stones. Cucumber salad may help prevent kidney stones due to its high water and nutrient content. Number 4, lowers blood pressure. Number 5, improves skin health. Topical application of cucumber extract has been shown to improve skin hydration. Elasticity. Number 6, enhances digestion. Cucumber salad is a great addition to your diet if you have digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome or constipation. Number 7, reduces the risk of certain cancers. Cucumber salad may help reduce the risk of certain cancers due to its high content of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. According to a study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, cucumbers contain a compound called cucurbitacin, which has been shown to have anti-cancer properties. In addition to its potential anti-cancer properties, cucumber salad is a low-calorie, high-fiber snack that can help with weight loss, which is an important factor in reducing the risk of certain cancers. However, it is important to note that while cucumber salad may offer some protection against certain cancers, it is not a cure for any type of cancer. If you are concerned about your risk of cancer, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional. I would love to hear your thoughts on the benefits of cucumber salad. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more education like this. Like and share to spread the information to others.